This is how to replace the battery in the key fob for a 2025 Toyota Crown Signia. You're going to want to flip it to the back and you're going to use your fingernail. There's a slot, so you're just going to push it towards the left hand side. So pull it in that direction and you should pull out that other key. Then once you do that, you're going to use this to insert this key inside the key fob. You will insert it horizontally. There's a little slot that you can just push it in and then just twist. So in the same direction as the actual key fob, you're going to put that spare or that valet key inside. Then you can turn over your key fob and you'll see your battery, the CR2450. I am putting a new CR2450. What you want to do is take out that little unit out of the actual key fob. It's not really attached, you just kind of drop it in. Then use a small flathead screwdriver to just pop open the battery. It's relatively easy. And once you do that, you can place your new battery back into that little circuit board. Push it in. The plus sign should be facing upwards. Drop that little fob back into the case, and you can snap the casing right back. You'll hear it click. Once you're finished, you take that spare, that other key, slide it back in, and you're good as new. It's as easy as that. I'll leave the link in the description below.